What is air suspension and how does it work? Air suspension is a system used in vehicles to improve ride comfort and stability under different road conditions. Instead of using conventional steel springs, it uses compressed air as a source of suspension. Air suspension is a system that uses compressed air to improve ride comfort and vehicle stability. Its main components include the airbags, air compressor, air tank, control valves, and sensors. The basic operation of air suspension involves using bags of compressed air to support the weight of the vehicle and absorb impacts while driving. These airbags, also known as air springs, fit in place of conventional steel springs and are connected to the vehicle's pneumatic system. The pneumatic system uses an air compressor to generate compressed air, which is then stored in an air tank. This air is supplied to the airbags through control valves, which regulate the amount of air that is released or distributed based on driving conditions. When the vehicle is in motion, the air compressor kicks in to maintain a constant pressure in the system. This allows the airbags to adjust the height and stiffness of the suspension as needed. For example, on rough roads, airbags inflate more to provide greater shock absorption, while on smooth, well-paved roads, they deflate to provide greater stability. The main components of an air suspension system are 1. Airbags. They are the compressed air chambers that support the weight of the vehicle and absorb impacts. 2. Air compressor. It is the component in charge of generating compressed air for the pneumatic system. 3. Air tank. Stores the compressed air supplied by the compressor for later use. 4. Control valves. Regulate airflow to and from the airbags, allowing suspension height and stiffness to be adjusted. 5. Sensors. Monitor driving conditions, such as vehicle speed, acceleration or load, and provide feedback to the control system to adjust the suspension as needed. In addition to the components mentioned, the air suspension can also include other additional elements to improve its operation and performance. These may vary depending on the manufacturer and model of the vehicle. Some of these additional components can be 1. Air struts. These are integrated into the airbags and help control the vertical movement of the suspension. The shocks can be adjusted to provide more or less resistance to movement, allowing more precise control of the suspension. 2. Electronic control system. Some vehicles may be equipped with an electronic control system that automatically monitors and adjusts the suspension. This system uses sensors to detect driving conditions and adjusts airbag pressure and damper stiffness to suit different situations. 3. Adjustable height levels. Some air suspensions also allow you to manually adjust the height of the vehicle. This can be useful in situations such as going up or down ramps, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle, or improving aerodynamic efficiency at high speeds. 4. Load control system. On commercial or heavy-duty vehicles, the air suspension may be equipped with a load control system that automatically compensates for additional weight. This helps maintain a constant body level and a safer, more stable ride. Importantly, the air suspension not only improves driving comfort, but also offers benefits in terms of safety, especially in situations with heavy loads or rough terrain. The ability to adjust suspension height and stiffness according to driving conditions helps reduce impacts to the vehicle and improve stability during cornering, hard braking and evasive maneuvers. In conclusion, air suspension is a system that uses compressed air to improve the comfort and stability of the vehicle. Its main components include the airbags, air compressor, air tank, control valves, and sensors. In addition, there may be additional components such as air springs, electronic control systems, adjustable ride height levels, and load control systems, which further enhance the performance and safety of the air suspension system.